Here is a walkthrough of the 2000 Ford Keystone Sprinter fire rebuild camper. Excuse the mess as of right now. It is messy as I'm still working on it. Here's walk-in door. We'll start back here. This is the back area is being done. Got a new cabinet, lower cabinet. Still gotta get the seats or the chairs for it. The sink, new countertop. Sorry for the mess already. It is messy because it's being worked on. New upper cabinet. Still gotta get the microwave in place. There's more of the lower. Still got more work to do there too. The refrigerator and storage. Gotta do something with up there. Haven't decided if I'm gonna put another storage compartment up there or just put paneling on it. Got to get some covers to put down here to access the heater and the hot water heater. There's a slide. I bought the two little round lights from a store that sells used construction stuff, supplies. New carpet, new gray carpet. Think they call it space gray. Figured it'd look good in with the other colors. That's some of the trim. I gotta finish up these cabinets here. Had to replace those two base pedestal things because they're rusted out or rotted out. Aluminum don't rust, it rots. Another cabinet door that needs to be done. Here's the TV stand, which goes in the center. I know there's a hole there. It's gonna be covered up. There would be a TV there. That's to access the water lines for the shower connection. The radio goes over in that littler spot, and then that's a storage compartment. More storage. I actually just got two doors for up there. I'll actually show you them. I bought them at one of them restore places that you buy. Trying to flip these over so I can show you that you buy used lumber construction at. Here's the new doors. Yes, the door's a little taller, but as you can see, they are close. They're not completely the same, but you'll never know that they're not if you're just doing a walkthrough. Pretty much close. A little bit of a difference, not much though. I know it. And they're a little taller than the original. Here's more of the flooring. Step, I gotta do the carpet on the step still. And here is the worst part of the fire. This is the master bedroom, the bathroom, and the shower department. We'll go up on top here. That is a cabinet in the works up on top. Wasn't gonna put that in, but decided we'd put it in later. Got the two nightstands. I'm doing new drawer fronts. Another cabinet door that goes in the back of the camper. Little dresser. There was a few changes, not much. The dresser went to a little. I'm trying to maximize space. And the dresser was originally a lot wider. I narrowed it so I would have more bathroom space because there was no bathroom space or when you went to the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom was made bigger, about 4 inches longer. So when you sit down, your knees ain't up against the wall no more. Still gotta get roof vents, exhaust vent for in there. Here's the, trying to walk around stuff here. Here's the sink. I haven't cut the sink countertop yet. Cut the hole in it because I haven't got the sink. It's another, and that's where the shower goes when I get it. Haven't got it yet. We're gonna put carpet in from here up there. That's where the big bed sits. Window goes in there. Speakers. I got quite a bit of stuff to still do. I got some wiring to do up above before I seal the roof, once I get the roof. This is a short video of the walkthrough of the camper. As a progress. Sorry I haven't uploaded videos of it. I tried to keep everything uploaded. Nice new countertops. Had to go to the store and have them order me laminate so I could laminate the countertop, because the countertops would have cost me a lot more money than what they did. Excuse the mess. Sorry for the mess. There's more laminate. Here's a piece of laminate for the table. Laminate for other things. All the laminate. I got all the laminate. I just haven't got it on. I loaned my roller out to somebody so they could do their own little job. That's little doors. There's a light sitting there because I haven't put it in place yet. Still got 2 more speaker holes to put. There's gonna be 6 speakers throughout the camper for the radio. Still gotta do all the trim. It's down here. It's down here. Still gotta do all the trim up on the top. Gotta paint the sliding door. Hopefully you guys like it. This board here that goes on this top here was actually a 2-piece section, and I put it in as 1 piece. I took a piece of pine and ripped it down to the width of that. It was 12 feet long, and put that in. That's pine too. All the pressed wood set for the slide upper cabinet has been replaced with pine. I didn't like all that pressed wood because it was falling apart. So I took and replaced it with all pine. The cheapest wood I could find. This is a cheap build, and it's still staying that way. Roof's gonna cost a little bit of money, and doing the outside front, I will do a video of that when I get it more close to the way I want it to be. It's gonna be the cheapest way possible that I could do it, but hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you would like to donate, please send me an email and I can give you information on that. I am not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. None of my work is sponsored. I just do this to try to build followers and subscribers and different people that are liking what I do. I mean, I video all the time because I'm always constantly doing things. I just don't video it because I don't want to bore you guys. But please like, subscribe, comment, share. Do all the fancy things. Hit that bell notification for my video uploads. I will try to start uploading more videos, even if it's just a little sneak peek of something or a walkthrough of something. I'll do a walkthrough of the Dodge here very soon. It's coming along. The Harley I'm waiting on parts for. The Dodge I just put on hold to get a few projects caught up before I and I get other things going on. But thanks for watching. Bye.